Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I'm excited to be showing you this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 panel van in the long wheelbase. If you have any further questions, then please do not hesitate to contact a member of the sales team on 0121 514 0632. So getting straight into the video, this lovely T28 long wheelbase Highline panel van comes in a lovely pure grey colour in solid paint. Across the front of the vehicle there are two twin chrome strips, giving the vehicle a nice clean and professional finish. Down below we have some front fog lamps with a cornering function, as well as some front parking sensors that make navigating into those tight spots extremely easy. The exterior mirror wing caps, along with the door handles, front and rear bumpers, are also colour coded in that lovely pure grey colour. Across the front of both wings we have some lovely and stylish transporter badging. Below this, the vehicle will sit on the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels that come in a 5 twin-spoke star design. This vehicle comes with a single sliding side load door located on the passenger side. Behind the door reveals a handsome, fully ply-lined load area, as well as included multiple lashing points for securing those loads. There is also a full steel black bulkhead providing an insulating layer from noise and temperature. This vehicle is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. Accompanied with this is a 6-speed manual gearbox. As we move to the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this van comes fitted with a tailgate providing versatile loading options. Taking a look behind that tailgate will reveal the load area. Another look at the steel black bulkhead, as well as the multiple lashing points dotted throughout the rear of the vehicle. This vehicle does come with rear parking sensors to complement the front, and as you might expect, the rear parking sensors are located on the rear bumper. There are some additional parking sensors dotted on the side, making navigating into those tricky spots a lot easier. This pure grey colour is incredibly desirable, and even more desirable are the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels. But for now, let's take a brief look at the interior within the cab. It is greeted with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, as well as a touchscreen infotainment system. There is plenty of storage and ample legroom throughout the cab. The comfortable seating is provided in the bricks woven fabric in a lovely titanium grey and palladium black colour. Along with this, there are some armrests for the driver. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the 360 walk around complete on this vehicle. You can stick around later on in the video where we will explore that interior in greater detail. If you like what you see, then please hit that subscribe button or leave a like, as it helps me know that you've liked what you see and you can stay up to date with all of our latest stock. If you like this vehicle and would like to speak to a member of our sales team, then the number to call is 0121 514 0632. This vehicle comes with electronic power folding, as well as heated wing mirrors, the controls of which are located on the driver's door card. This vehicle comes with a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel, and we'll get into explanation as to what these buttons will do. Over on the right hand side of the steering wheel, the driver can completely customize their driver experience by cycling through a range of different options such as telephone, audio, driving assists, and even driving data. Below the black cluster on the left hand side is the next or previous track button. Over on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the driver has the buttons for controlling a speed limiter, as well as adaptive cruise control. The driver can increase, decrease, or even reset this option on the steering wheel, meaning for maximum efficiency without ever having to move your hands off the steering wheel. Below the black cluster on the left hand side is a volume up and volume down button. Moving over to the infotainment system, this vehicle comes with App Connect, which allows you to seamlessly connect your Apple or Android smartphone to your vehicle using navigation apps such as Google Maps and Apple Maps, listen to your favorite music through Spotify or Apple Music, and also voice recognition in order to control your phone with your voice whilst driving safely, and much more. If it's radio stations you prefer, this vehicle comes loaded with AM, FM, as well as DAB radio stations, perfect for choosing a wide variety and different genres of music. The driver or passenger can also select from inputs such as Bluetooth audio, as well as an SD card slot. Once reverse gear has been selected or the parking sensor toggle button has been pressed, the Park Pilot display will show on the infotainment system screen. This is handy for a variety of situations. Below the infotainment system is the climate control system, which comes fully equipped for all year round with a front heated windscreen as well as AC. Throughout the rest of the dash there are some 12-volt outlets as well as some USB-C slots to make sure you and your business stay fully charged. The comfortable seating is finished in a lovely titanium grey and palladium black colour and is very ergonomic. This van offers extra storage beneath the two-seater passenger bench for a variety of different uses. So ladies and gentlemen, that will fully conclude this 360 walk around on this approved use Volkswagen transporter in the long wheelbase. Feel free to contact a member of our friendly sales team on 0121 514 0632 for any further inquiries. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.